satellite modulation car. In this I am using the global satellite modulation system. Which means GSM connection I am using for the basis of controlling this car. So normally the RC cars जो होती है उसमें रिमोट कंट्रोल के लिए UV रेस को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, पर इसमें सर हम GSM कनेक्शन को इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं जिससे इसकी रेंज बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ सकती है। अगर जहाँ पे भी सिग्नल आ रहे होंगे वहाँ पर हम इस गाड़ी को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। इसमें सर हमें 2 मोबाइल रिक्वायर होंगे, एक 3.9 mm जैक से इस गाड़ी से कनेक्टेड रहेगा, जिससे एक
coming out and it is collect on the main tank, from which we are seeing that it's passing through the heating tube. In this, we are heating this at different temperatures. At 50 degrees Celsius, petrol is coming out, and this fluid tank is passing through there. Where we getting the petroleum?
Sir, we are from Delhi School. Sir, this project is based on the topic technologies to manage water surpluses and water shortage.
So nowadays we are running after rainwater harvesting and rainwater harvesting, but the amount of rain is decreasing day by day. Then we have to find an alternate method. Now we know in our UP, most our two aquifers are dried up.
As the only primary fuel. Here we have an air collector that will collect the air, and with the turbo suction pump will increase the suction power of this collector. This air will be compressed in this compressor up to a pressure of 300 psi. Under high pressure, this air will be blown over this propeller. This propeller will rotate at a torque of about 20 Newton meters produced. This torque will be further multiplied using this gear train, which has a gear ratio 1:20. With this increased torque, we will be rotating the shaft of this dynamo to a pulley system. This dynamo will produce electricity, and that will be stored in this lithium-ion battery, that is.
In which we use rainwater to generate electricity. The flow of water has kinetic energy which rotates the turbine and which ultimately rotates the shaft. And the shaft is connected to the dynamo which generates electricity. And this electricity should be used in this apartment or
multicast table in which we use and projector and IR camera, and projector is placed in front of a plane mirror of an 45 angle reflection, in which his rays is sustained on this mirror and connected to the computer. If our hand is in the range of the IR camera, then without touching in it, the sensation is going.
What are the applications?
Our model is based on rainwater harvesting. When the rainwater falls on the roof, the water is passed through this pipe, and this one outlet of this pipe is here. The water is passed through this pipe. We can also collect this water in this tank. This water can also be after the rainfall over, this water can also be used in our fields for cultivated areas, for washing the vehicles, etc. And this is
Also on the photodiode, then the value of current is observed there. And if we put water, we observe a current of millivoltage of 1543. But if we put something more dense inside, then we see a change inside.
Just so that the solution is, the biological sample is impure and it is too denser.
What is the application of
in this can this is burner, with the value of the burner, the water will boil up and the steam will go through this pipe through the piston, and this is the entering tube and this is the exit tube. For this steam will go through the entering tube and will bring up this piston. Piston will bring up and the tires will rotate, and then we put up the tires. The steam will go through this exit tube and it will work with the tires will rotate.
you know that there is many things. Many cars communicate based on the speed, mileage, limit, but no one look at the safety of this car. To make this monster, the car is only based on the safety of the driver. So as you can see that, sir, we put 4 concepts in this. The first concept is the child. As you can know that the small kids generally move out his dad keys and just put on this and start.
कार रिएक्टर जो है
प्लेटिनियम और न्यूट्रॉन्स के फ्यूजन के द्वारा एक बिजली पैदा करता है 1 सेकंड में 25,000 वोल्ट, जो कि यूनिफॉर्मली पूरे शहर में जाती है। अगर ये चाहे इसमें थोड़ा रिवर्स प्रोसेस किया जाए तो ये सारे शहर की एनर्जी अपनी तरफ खींच के उसे पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे इजेक्ट कर सकता है। और
in the road and we are generating electricity by PC electricity. When we component electricity generate, it is water resistant and it can be used on many places, crowded areas like temples, platforms, etc. As we know that electricity is wasted on platforms and temples. Then we can generate electricity by PC electricity. It is obtained from nature. It is made up of a metal which is
Use optimizer. In our daily life, when we enter a room, we switch on the lights, fans, the TV, the AC, etc. But usually, when we leave the room, we forget to switch them off. And to reduce energy wastage produced due to this problem, we have designed this intelligent energy use optimizer. Let me show you how it works. When a person enters the room, he will go this way, pressing the first sensor first and then the second one.
Bias would only, like this. So the lights, fan and electricity supply is already on automatically.
He switched on in the room.
Now if he exits the room, he will press the second sensor first and then the first sensor. So therefore, the lights, fan will automatically be off.
And this system can work for any integer value of the people.
So as much people as well can enter. We are saving electricity not only for ourselves but for generations to come. Like in our daily life, if we use this system, then we can be surely be saved from that. And in fact, if we save energy, pollution will also be reduced. As when we introduce thermal energy, there is a lot of air pollution, which causes greenhouse effect ultimately.
Sir, this is the copper hydroxide. This is the copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. Then sir, the mix with easier. The mix with easier, then the dilute solution is formed. This is the mixture of copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. This is between this filter paper. Then the precipitate is copper hydroxide and the sulfuric sulfate, sodium sulfate is